case number X3642321, People versus Montel Maurice Paley, and defendant is charged count 3 on this ticket, no insurance. Today's the date and time set for pretrial in this matter, and good morning, Ms. Gaten Robinson.
Attorney Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Paley. Mr. Paley, can you please state your name for the record?
Montel Paley.
Your Honor,
Mr. Robinson, I'm going to waive the warrant fee, and then I would understand that because he paid a careless driving ticket, you would have a motion.
yes, Your Honor, we're going to ask that this no insurance matter be dismissed.
It is. So, Mr. Paley, without telling me your actual address, do you still live on Eastburn in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we're going to send what we did today to you there. Do you have any questions about what it is I've ordered?
No, thank you.
Okay. Ms. Gaten Robinson, do you have anything else you want to tell him?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Have a good day, sir. I'm going to end our call.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it.
Bye-bye. All right. So I think that ends our morning.
Thank you, Your Honor. You all have a wonderful day.
Thank you. For Ms. Gaten Robinson, I still have Mr. Jordan, his client.
Oh, very well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Yeah, I haven't forgotten about you, but I was just letting my house counsel know that we were. So, Mr. Pringle, we're on YouTube Live. Let me call the cases. Case number 413861, People versus Miles Pringle, and defendant is charged no valid operator's license in immediate possession. And case number P114412, count 1 is speeding, and it's 16 to 20 miles per hour over the posted speed limit. And Ms. Horn, on behalf of the city, would amend and allow the defendant to plead to blockading. And she would also, in exchange for those pleas, dismiss case number P111415, which is People versus Pringle, driver's license never acquired. Yeah. And U570343-20, which is curfew violation. And good morning, counsel. Your appearance for the record.
Thank you, Judge Blount. Attorney Carl Jordan, P number 57226, appearing on behalf of Miles Pringle on all of the matters, Your Honor. Mr. Pringles is appearing by Zoom as well.
So, Mr. Pringle, you understand if I accept your plea today, you're giving up the right to have a trial, either by judge or jury?
Yes, ma'am.
I understand you're giving up a number of rights associated with trial.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody promise you anything to make you plead today that I don't know about?
No, ma'am.
Anyone threaten you in any way, sir?
No, ma'am.
Do you recall being in the area of Grand River and Prevost in the city of Detroit, September 18th of this year?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you operating a motor vehicle that day, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have a valid driver's license in your immediate possession?
No, ma'am.
Per the people's recommendation, accept the defendant's plea to failure to display.
Yes, ma'am.
And then, counsel, would you skip to the face of the ticket for the blockading, which would be the same date, time, and location, I believe?
Yes, we would, Your Honor.
Oh, no, actually, it's 2 days before, September 16th. Okay. Accept his plea of responsible to blockading. And that's going to be 175. And then he would stiff to probable cause on these other two, is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay, then it's anything before sentencing on the failure to display?
Nothing on behalf of Mr. Pringle, Your Honor. He understands that he's on thin ice, so to speak, and he needs to get his license and comply with all of the laws. I believe he will do so from here on forward.
And you should really listen to your attorney. This is not the way to start life out. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you don't have a driver's license, the last thing you need to be doing is going 20 miles over the speed limit.
You want?
I would call that going. 245, so he owes the civil infraction, 175, and the failure to display, 245. Does he owe that money today?
Your Honor, I
Yes.
believe that Mr. Pringle can pay that today. Can you not, Mr. Pringle?
I can.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Pringle, the court is not open for you to come and make payments. So you have to go to our website, which is 36thdistrictcourt.org. And you can pay online, or if you're familiar with the DIVDAT, that's D-I-V capital D-A-T, kiosk system, there are more than 50 of them in the metropolitan area. You can pay at a kiosk. You can pay cash, debit, or credit cards. Or you can download the DivDat app and pay that way.
Okay.
And now, without telling me your actual address, do you still live on Fraser in Southfield?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll send you what we did today. Wait about 20 minutes before you try and pay, all right?
All right. Thank you.
You have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you need to get your license and stay out of trouble, okay?
I will. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks, Mr. Jordan. Have a great weekend.
You too, and remain safe, Judge.
Bye-bye.